Hi beauties, it's Team Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And guess what? I have the brand new Stampin' Up! Catalog pre-order that Stampin' Up! Demonstrators can get. So let me go ahead and show you some of the stuff. I know some of you are waiting for this, the new in colors, and these are them. Look how beautiful. Let me show you this side so you can see. This one is a little more purple. And then let's see what these colors are. This one here is called Tahitian Tide, Sweet Sorbet, Parakeet Party. Isn't that pretty? Orchid Oasis. That's this pretty purpley one. And it looks blue until you hold it up next to the blue. And then you can see that it's purple. And finally, the last one is called Starry Sky. Very pretty. So, obviously, in colors means new in color club. I will be doing an in color club, and each month, it goes on for 5 months, and each month you get one new in color. And you're gonna get the inks, which are the ink pads here. You're going to get the blends. Oh my gosh, look at all these colors. All the blends here. You're going to get, is this correct or is this a different one? You're gonna get the dots. I'm not sure if this is not the in color dots. This is just glossy dots. But you will get the in color of the embellishment. And you will get one of the Stampin' markers. So each month you get the colors of everything. You'll also get the cardstock pack, and you will also get the refill. So let me show you, just opening up the pens here, the markers. Look at that. I'm so excited. So I am so excited about that. Now let's move on to some of the other stuff. What is this called? This is called Glossy Dots Assortments. So we've got that there. We've got a new embossing folder. This one is called the Fern. It is a 3D embossing folder. And look at that. Can you see that? Is that beautiful? Love it. All right, as you may or may not know, the way to go is to buy the bundles. When you buy bundles, you save 10%. So my first bundle that I love is called Bottled Happiness. And then here is the vintage bottle punch. And when you get the two of those together, you save 10%. So how cool is that? Isn't that cool? Oh my gosh. So this, you guys, is not my order. This is actually another demonstrator friend of mine's order. I am waiting on my order, but I just couldn't. I could not wait to show you guys. So I'm like, let me show my beauties. And she let me, so it was pretty cool. Okay, this one I did not choose because, again, this is not my order. This one will be going on my next order because I saw hers and she made us a card and she sold me. So here we go. This one's called Sweet Songbird. Isn't that adorable? At first I just looked at it and I'm like, yeah, it's pretty nice. And then there's the punch that goes with it, right? So now I gotta get into my stuff because we met with her the other day. This is my bag of tricks here so that I could show you, because I think I have it in here. I do. I have to show you. Again, remember, I looked at this in the catalog. I thought, meh, it's cute, but I'm not really a big fan of the birds until I saw the card she made us. Look at that. Is that adorable? Super quick, easy, simple. Holy smokes. I'm sold. That will be on my next order. So, all right, let's go into some more. This one is called Wisteria Wishes. Very beautiful with the different fonts, mixing and matching fonts there. And then she stores her dies like I do. So the dies that go with it are in here. And these are the dies, and it's called Wisteria dies. Right? So those are going to cut out those same images there. What else did she get? She got Sending Smiles. That is the stamp set. And you see this sending right here. And then you see all these little phrases and words. Smiles across the miles. Sunshine to brighten your day. Love and big hugs. Birthday wishes. A note of thanks. A card to say hello. Comfort and strength. You guys, this has everything you need. Everything. And then to make it even better, even easier, we've got this sending dies. And the sending dies, you're not going to believe this. Check this out. There's the sending. Then it can be overlaid. So you can stamp and then overlay, or you can cut out and then overlay. And then it's got these little banners that fit the words, all of these dies to fit the flowers. Whew. Demonstrators, selling to demonstrators, you guys. I am one of my best customers. Okay, what's the next one? This one is called Botanical Layers. And that does have a bundle, but the bundle is with vellum. And it's called the Lovely Layers. So see those vellum match up with the Botanical Layers. And it's not just one. She spilled some water on these, so the vellum kind of squiggled up, but I'll show you a couple. See that? What happens when you drop water on it. But that's one. There's some just blank vellum in there. And they're already cut perfectly to match with your cards. What else? There's more in here. There's tons of those circles. There's this one here. Isn't that pretty? This one that you saw. Gorgeous. And yep, that's it. She gets those different designs. So here's one that really, be careful with your water and drinks around your vellum. It also fell on some cardstock, not cardstock, some designer series paper, which I'll show you in a bit. All right, last stamp set that she got is called Happiness Abounds. Again, we've got that mixed font. Love it. Some new flowers, because, you know, we love flowers. And then, this one is the photopolymer, and she's got her dies in there. I'll tell you what, I will probably buy this because I want this die right here. That's why. So you can use this for mixed media, all kinds of fun stuff. But these are the dies. Very, very cute. And then of course, those flowers are gonna cut out these flowers. And then I didn't see, there wasn't really a banner or anything to cut for those. So those are just gonna be stamped. Then you can cut out the flowers. All right, you guys, I told you about my In Color Club. And the next thing I'm gonna tell you about is my paper share. Again, she spilled water, so it's got a little bit of crinkly on here. But you guys, I'm saving the best paper for last. And this is not, I say the best, meaning my favorite. When you see them in person, it's so different than seeing them in the catalog. But this one is called Sun Prints. And all of our designer series paper has 2 sides. And so I'm just gonna go through really quickly so you can see some of it. Isn't that pretty? So with my paper share, you purchase, you share it between 4 people. So these are 12 by 12. And what my paper share is, you're gonna get a 6 by 6 of every brand new designer series paper that we have. So if you are interested, let me know. And I don't remember which ones I've shown you, but they're all so pretty, and they're all the different colors, multiple colors there. Look at that great background. So I think I have shared all of them with you from that pack. The next pack, oh my goodness, this is my favorite one. And I will be, of course, doing my share, but I will also be purchasing multiple packs of this one, right? Look at how pretty that is. You guys, that's not even the best one. This one is called Hues of Happiness. And check these out. Look at this. Oh, is it beautiful? I love this one. There's another one here. And the back side. Look at that. Check that out. The back side. Just to make, and look at this from afar. It actually kind of goes in a, would it be an ombre? Oh my goodness, I think that's it. Yeah, the rest are repeats, but holy smokes, is that a repeat? It is, but let's look at it again. It's not. I thought it was a repeat of this one. They look the same, but they're different. Big flowers, little flowers. Baby flowers, boom. So great. So if you want to get into my paper share or my in color, make sure you are subscribed to my newsletter, because that's where I'll put it out. And then we will pre-order those, and then when it comes out live on May 3rd, I'll order all the pre-orders and get them out to you as soon as I can. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys like this preview. And this again was from my friend Amanda, and I will be getting my pre-order soon. I'm just waiting for it. I already got my tracking number. I'm so excited. But let me know if you wanted to place a pre-order. You just need to be a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. So if you're interested in that, feel free to join my team, the Stamping Beauties. I'll put the link down below in the description so that you could click and get started right away and place your order, because with the order, it's $99 to order the starter kit, and you get to order $125 worth of product. But it can be from the new catalog, it could be from the current catalog, or it could be from the January through June catalog. So you get a choice of 3 different catalogs to purchase $125 worth of stuff for only $99. Plus then you save 20% on all your orders. So, all right, beauties, let me know what you think. Put a comment down below on what your favorite items are, and I will talk to you soon. All right,